All right, guys, this is for our ongoing intermediate class. And we're beginning to work on a little chord melody for When the Saints Go Marching In. We're in the key of G. And the beginning part that we're working on, it's only over a G chord. And we're finding a couple ways of doing this. The first thing we did was we identified what the melody is. And it's a G, B, C, D. And we love it when the melody line falls on the A string because that allows us at some point to do a chord and use all four strings. We've only got four strings. We want to get them to the party. So the first way we found was like this. Let me move this here. So it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Down, 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 down. Or down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And that's as far as we were getting. Just those two measures, I believe. It could be more. That was one way of doing it. Then we found another way, using the G form as our template, up here, starting on the 5th fret. It's a little easier to grab. I think the sound isn't quite as full, but it's easier to grab. So I'm doing this. Sorry. Here's the notes. C string, and then I have to add a finger, my baby finger here to the 8th fret, to the E string. Sorry. I'm going on the C string, E string, and then adding my baby finger here, and then just playing the A string. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And I'm bringing in a block chord technique. Let me show you where I'm doing it. Single notes, block chord, strum, 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 strum. I'm adding that block chord because it's happening on the downbeat of a measure, and I really try to get the harmony in on the downbeat as much as I possibly can. 2, 3, 4, 1. Or couple ways of doing that. So if you can work on it this week, that would be great. And see if you can continue that chord melody to the next part of the song. And what you need to do is hum the lyric and find the notes. Now, what I do is go right back to the first 3 frets. So I'm doing. So I stay up here until I get to the D7, which is the next chord in the line, and I go right back down here to the 2nd fret, and the melody note is that A, so I'm just playing A with the D7. So give it a try, darlings.